Hello and welcome back to the RX8 project. Today I am doing something simple. I just wanted to do a quick video on recharging the AC on this. I'm not sure why it doesn't work, whether when they replace the engine they let all the coolant out. I do not refrigerant, I don't know. So I'm going to show you how to do it with the DIY kit. Now, a disclaimer on the kits like this is they are good. They've worked for me in the past and I use them because my time is quite valuable, but a lot of the time you can go down to Quick Fit on a deal and you can get it done cheaper by them. But if you haven't got time and you've got a few cars, get one of these kits, keep it in the garage, and when you need it, it's there. So I'll show you how to use it now. So you start off with the engine off. This is the adapter that you get with the kit. And this you connect to the low side port when the engine is off. Now the low side port is quite well hidden. It is just down in behind there, you can't really see it. So I will connect this, we'll start the car and we'll take a reading. So that's it, we all connected. Now we need to start the car, put the aircon on full and on recirc and leave it for 2 minutes and we'll see what the gauge says. So here's the scary bit for all RX8 owners, starting it. Always good when it starts. Shut this, it's a bit loud. Okay, so then we go down, put aircon on recirc, full cool, and now we leave it for 2 minutes. So it's been a couple of minutes and we're going to look at the gauge, and it has not moved. Now that indicates there's an issue normally, but because the engine has been out of this car, I'm assuming when they took the engine out they let the coolant out, the refrigerant out, and didn't recharge it. I do have some of this which fills small holes and gives the system a bit of a sort of lubrication, but I don't think it has a leak. I think it is just been emptied of its refrigerant. So next stage is we get the refrigerant and connect it up. You should wear gloves and goggles for this bit. This stuff is a bit nasty if it touches you. I have forgotten that. So we had given this a decent shake, and now we just fill it in. I like to sort of tip it a bit, and the gauge has shifted a little bit more. Annoyingly, I have run out, but I've got a fair bit in there and it's touching green. So now we'll get into the car and see if we're blowing cold, and it is. Yeah, we are blowing nice and cold. So I will keep an eye on the levels. I'll probably check it in a day or so and see if the levels where it is now, that would determine if it's got a leak. If it has got a leak, then it's investigation time. But I think we're all good. So we need to disconnect the kit now. So I'll turn the car off. I got in the habit of revving it before I turned it off due to my old one being a Bridgeport. And then we unplug it and put the port cover back on. So there we have it. Nice and simple job. Took me probably 5 minutes to do it, and car's got nice cool air conditioning. Could use a little bit more coolant, so I might actually, I do always like to have one of these knocking about, so when I'm feeling posh I might just get one just to have it and keep it there for when I need it, because when your aircon dies it's horrible, and the RX8s need aircon. If you take your RX8 on track or anything like that and you think I'll take the aircon out to save some weight, just don't do it. So we can tick the aircon off on our board. So there we go, that's aircon all done. Next one, I'll probably look into the ignition. So that's the big one on the car. So we'll have a look at that. And thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, all of that. Leave any comments about the car, what you think of the car. It'd be great to hear what you think of the RX8s. And I shall see you on the next one for looking at the ignition system. Thanks very much. Bye.